Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, very special. And guys, it's a bright morning. So as you can look, today the weather is so calm and look. So I'm just over here and see what is going on. So after this guy, I have the mason at home there. So east to west home is the best. So this is my second home, so I must be here and to make sure that everything's good and fantastic. You know, wow! I see the fish, the small fish. Look, wow! Look at it. Hey. Wow! So that being said, I'm just over here. So to see what is going on and to make sure that everything is on a good position, you know. Wow! So let me remove these leaves, all this stuff from here. You know, I want this highway to be look clean. Sometime, okay. So we left them to dry, and maybe tomorrow we collect it in a good way, you know. Wow! Let's move on. And I hope, guys, in case you're new on today's vlog, subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, just do so. Wow! So we try to see tomorrow. I wanna clean these tiles here to be look clean. So at least per week, we clean like twice or thrice. And at the same time, maybe tomorrow we wanna pump the water. I see the water is reducing a little bit. So tomorrow we shall pump water. So right now the motorbike is okay, so we can run maybe to Border Town and purchasing the kerosene or the gasolino. You know, I'm telling you guys. So after this, I'm rushing back home to see what is going on. You know, so all is well, guys. And I have my motorbike over here. I want to say, Mom, thank you so much for supporting me to make my motorbike. I want to say thank you a million. And for those who are watching my videos, also thank you a million, guys. Nowadays the motorbikes look clean. Ooh, let me put on a shed, because just a minute. I wanna put here and see. Look. So it looks very amazing that these are new tires, guys. And I decided to put a tubeless tire because this place, when we're going back home at our neighbors over there, we have a torn fence. So each and every single minute my motorbike got punctures. Oh, so right now I put the tubeless. So I bought the new tire and also the tube. By the following day I change, you know. So that's my motorbike. So let me see how the chicken are doing, you know. Yes. Hey, there's chicken inside here, you see. Wow. So I'm going to other side, see what is going on. So let me see whether the Guinefon and Dove have some food, or else I will add more. So I think, guys, maybe the month of October 2nd, 22nd, I brought some rice here, maybe the shaft of the rice, to bring the Dove and the Guinefon here, at least to change the diet. Guys, I'm telling the reality, so watch this video keenly. 22nd October, I'll purchase the rice. Not only 22nd. When I get the money, maybe I will purchase maybe like 10 kg of them at a cheaper price, and then to give the Dove, Guinefon, to change the diet, man. Oh, wow. and some young one up there. And also inside here, others are laying egg. You see? Wow. So that is it. I'll make sure that everything is good and well. Wow. So today it's a kind of hot. We have too much of sunny. Oh, look at the gain. This is the gain phone. All gain phone are the mixture of white and black, but you have the pure white. Hey, Mr. Rabbit, I wanna see how the rabbit is doing, man. It's a long time. Oh my God. Look at this. You see how they are smiling, guys? Look. Look. Wow, guys. That's amazing rabbit over there. Oh, man. You see? Wow. During when I was young, that's my pet. Game phone and rabbit. I'm telling you the reality. If I can ask my mama, what's my favorite pet? My mom, she can tell you rabbit and also the game from this one here. I like the birds how they make like that, and this one also the guinea. Let me give the secret about the guinea. Also the guinea, it acts as a security during at night. When they had people walking around outside during midnight, they will start making noise like that, or like so you know that you realize that people are outside, so you must be very careful. Wow, you heard? Well, guys, so today videos are very special, and I want to show you maybe how technically 100% of the village, how people are being inspired, man, through Ayamarwa, you know, in other way, maybe to build the house. Other people are building the house, and I know for the haters, they wanna start talking about negative stupid issues, but for us, we stand for one role. We just in this village standing for the positive vibe all the time, you know. Me, I don't care no matter what. Me, I'm just shooting video every day. Like yesterday, I was building, I was putting some fisher board. If you're watching that videos, it's over there. And for me, man, I can't mind on views. I'm just keep grinding hard. So even right now, my mama, she was calling me. Oh, the mason, he have already arrived. So I want to see the work that he was doing. And actually, he was doing the screeding. So if you are new on these videos and you don't know about the construction, what I'm talking about screeding, I'm going to show you. It's to levelize, and anytime, guys, I want to fix the tiles, because I want to say thank you a million for those who are supporting me. Right now, I finished everything. So today, I will done with screeding, and maybe anytime I shall put some tiles, inshallah. I was jumping over there. So here we have Rio and my Madam kuzifungulia mu. Walizifungia humu? Wapi? Oh. Si mungefunga nyumba ya njua. Lakini sasa njua zitapitia wapi? Rio. Rio baba. Rio. Rio baba. Rio. Rio baba. Rio. 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 And this is Malaika. Rio baba. Rio. Rio baba. You know, guys, Rio are friendly horses. Rio baba. Rio. Amazing. So you want to scrub like this, and then it's gonna feel better. And we have also Malaika. Hey man, I love these horses. Are very beautiful, man. And that being said, every Saturday you wanna spray Rio and Malaika, guys. You know, we need to maintain hygiene for the horses over there. So right now we put inside here for some few minutes because my friend told me, oh, we have one of the workers here, so Rio and Malaika, they are eating maize, so we kept there. Maybe sometime we close it. Wow. So today's videos are not longer as I drew the rest of the video. I'm washing my hand because wow. So this is the yams over here. Let's move on. So maybe if I found that guy, I want to show you how people are being inspired here to build more so young YouTuber. And I want to say thank you so much, maybe for those people who are supporting young YouTubers here to chase the dream outside here, right left at the center. Thank you so much if you are supporting young YouTubers and to inspire them maybe to do this and that. Like, man, for me, I'm a lover of construction, you know. So no more hide. I'm a lover of construction. Even today, I'm going to show you what is going to my project, man. It's coming big. It's coming big like crazy, man. You know. So let's move on. You see how the compound we clean? It's look clean, and we burn that rubbish over there because we collect everything. There's a time when we were working here. Super amazing. Okay, so today I'm supposed to rest, but I realized that's the kind I want to becoming more, maybe more lazy. Let's move on. The game for are chilling here, you know, on the shade, on the beautiful shade. Look, wow. So guys, for me, 100%, I want to say big thanks, big appreciation to you for amazing work that you done for me, and I showing you everything. Which I was passing through. But most of the people, you know, in this world, no man who is perfect. Sometimes you make a mistake, sometimes you don't make a mistake. And maybe you have people who are off grid. When for example, they see her maybe succeed in life, they start maybe to blag some nonsense issues. And for me, I don't care. I want to say for my fans who are supporting me by watching my videos, you just mind watching my videos. Don't focus on maybe the spread of the lies and all stuff, man. So for me, I want to say thank you. So guys, on this compound, it's huge, and you must have the dog here. You must have the dog. At least when you have like 5 dogs on this compound, it wanna be, oh, the puppy is here. You heard? So this puppy is from Congrats, Dad. Yeah. Eat the smart puppy. This one is going out, and I want to. They are very genius, guys. Okay. Okay. Let me cheat with bone. They are very genius, guys. So the rest are on the kennel, and one coming out. So I'm trying to catch them, and they run away. Wow. So let's go. And maybe, guys, if I found one of my best friend, I want to show you how they build a huge house. But I'm going there. But the first thing that I'm going to do is to pass through my home. Wow. So let's move on. Oh, let me see what is going on the other side. Because there's a time we kill the channel of all the ditch, but it's okay. It's running water from there, and going up to that way, man. You know. Oh man, I wanna say thank you a million for my fans who are watching my videos. That is the best way you're supporting me, and for me I feel so better, man. So you try to motivate me every day to give you the best content, man. Oh, this one is coming up, and it's very clean, it's very cold because of these trees here. And most of the time water, trees are very important. Even this here. Wow. You see the fish? It's coming out like crazy. Look. Yeah. That's the tilapia fish. That's the tilapia fish running. So guys, thank you so much. We shall meet for the next videos, but on today's vlog. So right now I'm heading to my home there. So there's some work that is going there. So I'm supposed to be there and see what is going on. And you know, construction, when you're starting construction, you can't finish up. You finish this one happened. You finish this one happened. Like for me, the toilet started on the month of June. Imagine June, July, August, September. But I can't build at like continuously. When I get the money, when I see what is missing on my project, I add. Like steel bar, I finish. I add this. I add some materials. So labor money is over there. Everything. So like, there's a time I bought the cement, and like 3 bags of cement. So the mason were being used that one, and also the remaining with 1.5 bag of cement. So they came today to finish to done screeding. So right now I'm running with time. I'm going to show you what's going on, guys. So keep it locked. One amazing videos coming, guys. Oh guys, so I've already reached at home, and I want to supervise the work for today. And over here I have my brother.
Yeah, what's up guys, welcome back to Hello Babies official YouTube channel. My name is Gake. You was dedicated bro from Mr. Gake, and today I've just paid a visit again, guys, at Hello Babies official home. But guys, actually I'm just seeing the progress of the story just kicking off, and actually guys, let's support our brother so that he can just make his dreams right, because as always, sky's the limit. So if you're watching this, kindly watch till the end.
Okay.
Subscribe if you haven't, and also share this video to your friends, to your family, and to your beloved one. And also guys, watch till the end.
All right guys, so let me see the work for today. That being said, I was at the Villa 2024. That's my first home. Villa Mengelino, the second home, guys. So I came to check my work for today, and I'm telling you guys, you think that I'm joking around. I'm not joking, guys. Like, that's my special intelligent mason.
Uncle, nipishe.
Tokiani?
Nipishe.
Something the kids here say. Tokiani? That's my kids, friends to my sister. Say hello. Say hello, my sister.
Hello.
My sister. Let me say my hello. One day I brought for you all sweets. One day. So, this is the work. Uliukata?
Nimeikata.
Hadi kuna mwingine huu.
Huwa tayari.
Huu. Juu tulisema wakiweka tiles. Uliukata hata wenyewe?
Na namna tu nilivyotengeneza.
Ulibomoka rudisha nyuma?
Nilibomoa.
Sasa hiyo tiles ikiwekwa hizi jiguza hapa.
Hapana.
Oh guys, so we done all screening. Look guys. Fundeke hicho umeijaza mchanga sasa. Atangangana kivi yake fundi. So you see guys, we done screening. And right now we remain with the outside here.
Angalia, nenda hapo mbele, nenda na hapo mbele.
Nikanyage maji.
Kanyaga tu. Na kuruhusu au hiyo si yebo yako kanyaga tu.
Even on this side here. You see guys, 100% I recognize the work for my mason. And wow. Okay, that is okay guys. So let's see here. Hadi hapo ulipapunguza?
Hapo nilikata mlango.
Hapa chini? Oh, hiyo kitu umeweka kuinuka ni ya kuzuia maji. Okay. Jana choo ama mtu ajipige chini. This one is okay.
Karatasi nimetoa hapo.
Tuwezi yoga huko.
Nataka kuone.
Ho.
Sasa kwa hiyo.
Okay. Twenda nje. Endelea na kazi. Utabaki kweli hata sehemu ipigwe nilo.
Acha nione huu mchanga wangu.
Hebu cheza nje. Acha kunisumbua mtoto. Landscaping guys. Maana nuka kama kuna mwinuko fundi.
Wapi?
Hiyo ni vifaranga huko. Ama hujapitisha mbao?
Bado. Kuna mbao hili hapa lazima nipige na hii.
Afu ndio upitishe guruma.
Si unaona hii kamba? Hii ndio inaonyesha direction ya kuyaleta hapa maji. Oh guys, that's the work for today. So you see how my toilet is becoming so beautiful. Look guys, yesterday I was putting those timbers around the toilet. Right, so this is the motor here, and let's see guys. So thank you so much guys for those who are watching my videos until the end. But today more videos coming, and I'm heading to somewhere else, and I'll show you how people are being inspired to build a house. Wow. Well guys, so let me show you the final results. So you can see, and we make this outside foundation. Look, so this is the cement, and it's go around the house, around the toilet, guys. I'm so addicted with the house, but as soon the house is coming, man. So I left this place to be dry, and I will paint this timber, this one here. Also, you see the work for my mason, so put here, so to prevent maybe splashing of the water going to the wall. And I think it can't go even on this side here. You see this veranda, guys. And also here I will paint maybe maroon, and then alongside here I will plant flowers. Guys, comment on the comment section if you want to put some flower garden here. Also so this is the work. I think right now it's concrete, even you can fix the tiles, but in the morning I was here, so I wonder why this water have been stay here. You see this place. Okay, this is the stagnant water here. You can see there's water. So maybe during the installation of tiles, I will raise this place here, and maybe I can step inside. Oh, it's okay. So you had even the echo, guys, and I wonder why this place, the pipe is leaking from on the roof. So this is the wet here. Let me check on the other side. I don't know why. Yes, even also here. What? I wonder, guys. I wonder. It's leaking here. I wonder why. Right, so we solved that issue. So you see, guys, so when I put tiles, it's okay. Wow. So after tiles everything, I will wash the toilets and it's look clean. Wow. So I was talking about screeding, guys. Screeding is this one here. You see? Even the outside here. Let me close. Also outside here. Well, so these are things they are. And technically, I think I wanna put that pipe maybe. I think it's gonna be outside that chimney over there. Over there, guys, around there. So that one there, I mean. So it's leaking. I don't know why. So we'll see how it's proceeds. Well, guys, you can drop on the comment section how did you see the project for today. This project is amazing, and 100% we finish everything. So I left them to dry enough, so when I put maybe some tiles, there is no maybe issue. So that's the reason why I left to be dried. And now look, man, and I really love my toilet, guys. Look, super amazing, guys. You can see on the comments, on the videos, guys. Wow. You see that angle, man? Imagine, I'm the one who designed that style of the toilets. I'm the one. So I give the mason the plan how they can build my toilet. Oh, wow, guys! Imagine that's the toilet. What about the house? Let's wait. So and then here I will build a highway for directing to the toilets. A small highway, maybe from there, from here coming this way, and then I'll put some flowers and also lights for the maybe security light at the night. So I will put here some light. And if you watch my videos when I was going to Royal Kim there, I show you the lights which I want to put here. And tomorrow morning, by God's grace, my work is to squeeze the bricks, and then I want to cover on top because we have too much of the rain. Wow, guys. So let me show you around. These are my gun markers over here, and also the maze. So I'm using the shortcut to go on the other side, guys. You know what I mean? Wow. Oh. Okay. So I want to show you the bricks, and actually I want to arrange them in order. Wow. So over here, guys, this is my material. I think it's made like this way. Maybe I wanna start maybe adding slowly as we move on. See here, these stones over here, this sand, and are being used, and also these balance stones here, and then also are being used. So tomorrow's work is to arrange the bricks. Oh, wow. Let's see. Wow. So this one here, maybe I will deliver with a wheelbarrow, or use other means, because when you stay here and then have a lot of rain, I want to spoil the bricks because I want to use them for other purpose. And I think this one, it can build the highway and then finish up everything. This one here that you see around here, so it's almost around 150 bricks here. So we arrange them, and then I'll use that for the next for the next issue, guys. To be honest, my grandma house was being fall down, and I'm telling you. So it's totally old. Oh, look over there, it demolished everything. Yeah, and then she was sleeping inside. Walk. She was not around here. Whew. Oh, guys. Oh, I'm feeling so hungry. Not hungry, I'm feeling so tired, guys. So I wonder why my grandma sleeping on this house here, and it's already fall down almost. So it's totally old, and you have no plan, you have no idea. Imagine, guys. So I wonder, the house is sinking down, guys, and also we shall see. As a family member, we shall see what we can do for our grandma, you know. So this house, it's built during 19th century up to now, and for me, I see it stay here, it's last for the long time. So oh, guys, so because my grandma, she was not around, You can see how the house is falling down, even the iron sheet there. Wow. Okay, we'll see what we can do maybe. Wow. So for me, today's videos are very, very special, and maybe if you watch these videos you can have maybe some special or good vibe on my video. This is how my village looks like, guys. Nothing changed here, rather than maybe things which can change here, maybe day, time, month, year, but the house, since I was born, it's remained like this. I'm telling you, it's remained like this. Nothing changed here. Nothing changed. And guys, to be honest, I was thinking to make some bricks or to purchase blocks. So I want to know in the comment section, which one did you differ on it, bricks or blocks? So because I want next year, maybe by God's grace, to build my mama dream house here. So like I wanna spend like 4 months purchasing material. 4 months purchasing material seriously, without any jokes. Every month material. I want to complete with the material. So I learn something new. If you have everything on the ground, you can build a house within some few days, and then you finish everything. But when maybe today start to build a house, I want to drop this masonry working, bring this, I don't like. So I want to purchase material, more material as I can, and then maybe when the time it's allowed, it's boom, I build a house. And then here, guys, I want to demolish this house, and maybe if you have a large field, I could left this house maybe for the visitor who visited for me, and then they wanna sleep here for the accommodation. But right now we have a small field, and we need to demolish this one when the time allowed. So me, I'm just analyzing you. So when the time reach, don't say, oh hello baby, I'm hanging back and whatever, so and so. But this is early updation of my mama dream house. Although you see the material on the ground, so no more hide. Me, I'm just focused with my own thing. And maybe in terms of timber, I will cut during that time. We cut these old trees down and split the timbers and store. So when roofing, it's gonna start by roofing, I wanna use this one. Maybe when it's reduced, I will add more. But for now, let's follow with the vibe. So that's how my home looks like. And man, to be honest, I was born on this house, and we try to imagine it's have around almost 20 years, and maybe 20 years and above. So this is where my parents started new life, and then we get to this house. So I need to change the life. That is it. Wow. The car over here. Serious. So this is an old model, and I say maybe when it stay here, it gonna maybe fall down. So I'm the firstborn, so I do much as I can to my mom, you know. Let's see. I want to check my brother's goat. So no one is here. My mom, she went to work maybe somewhere else, but I don't know. Oh, they tied the goat here and then spoiled avocado trees, man. Look, I'll tell my brother today. Oh, wow. So this is the goats for my brother, and we want to sell them. To be honest, we want to sell them to purchase the fertilizer to top dressing to my brother's maize. So right now, no, maybe no maybe money for purchasing fertilizer. So we sell things which we have and then to get money. Also we sell these kids here. Yeah, I think guys, if I could have some money, I could buy this goat for my sister and then remaining here, because this is a kind of blessing. 2 kids. Look, like this one here, they mix of black, like this one here, pure. Man. So guys, if I could have money, I could give to my sister with that goat. But right now, things change. So as I told you, money is everything. And so I was totally love my sister. If I could have the money, I could tell my brothers, don't say that goat. So I want to buy and give to my sister, to be honest, because she was friendly to me each and every time. So tomorrow it's on a market day, and then we decide who can go and sell that goat. Maybe mom or one of our neighbors over there. The one who, when I bought the materials, he was the one who took the material inside the house. So we see the price of the goat. But when I get like 60 USD, I could left the goat and kids here, maybe surprise my sister. Look how it's breastfeeding. Oh, it's going. So I don't want to disturb them. Wow. Alright, so let's move on to the next maybe place, or to the new place, but it's not unfamiliar. And I thank my motorbike, it's okay and it looks like brand new. Mom, thank you so much wherever you are. May God bless you. You made it possible. Oh, it's coming out. Look at this. I put new tire, guys. Look, even the treads. Look at this. And then I lift this with a shock up, maybe uplift this one here, and also on the other side, maybe this one here. So I uplift my motorbike. So let me clean them. I want to clean my motorbike before I move. Sorry guys, I want to clean my motorbike before I move. So one day God will bless me with a sport bike, and then I will do a traveling vlog, because every day I will show you my home here. So for now, I love my baby bike. This is my baby, guys. I love my baby, guys, here. So I'll maintain some cleanness. That being said, it's helped us in our village here. That's the reason why I love my baby. So I want to clean my baby, guys. Right now I'm cleaning. Oh, I'm cleaning my baby, guys. Wow, thank you a million for Moncare. Thank you so much, guys. You know, he was the one who bought for me this motorbike here. Oh, sorry guys. This is my baby, you know. So big shout out to Moncare. He was the one who made it possible, and dreams are valid. So I get this, and soon, maybe next year, you will see another bang. Oh, all right. So for me, I love to clean the bike. I love when I was walking or going around my village, my motorbike looks clean, guys. You see? So I don't like maybe to drive a dirty stuff, a dirty machine. Oh, even inside here. And try to imagine, yesterday I was taking my motorbike to the car wash because right now we have too much rain here, right, left. So that's the reason why. You see, it's that. But it's okay. Wow. And there is a time I take my motorbike to change a tire, and I bought the new tube, but I realized let me put for the tubeless. So I bought everything, and maybe next time I will change this meter to be read some kilometers. So right now it can't read. Wow, so we ride manual, you know. But for now, you see how my motorbike helped me a lot, you know. So you just believe on it. One of these days you will see some changes, guys. Wow. All right, so guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and in case you meet these videos, let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. But for me, are very, very special, and I wish you all Sabbath day. If you are Adventist, happy Sabbath day, and may God bless you. If you come from church, after church service, sit down, watch my videos until the end. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. So it depends the time and year, the place wherever you are. If you meet this video for the first time, just subscribe. That is the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And I'm outside to chase my dream. And if you keep putting me on prayers, one day I will travel, guys. Trust me. So that's my that's my first priority. When I finish maybe putting my mom's on other level, my first priority is to travel. And for me, I love traveling, you know. So that being said, I can't travel with this motorbike because it can't go long distance. So maybe within our village here I can go around. If you are watching my videos, I was going to Border Town, Migori, where, but short distance. But a long distance, we can't go with this one here. So to be honest, if I could have the sport bike, man, I can spend like 3 months outside driving a motorbike. And if you remember, you have one of our hard-working lady from US calling. She was a lady known as Itching Boot. She was inspired me a lot and a lot, you know, traveling with a motorbike, going to Cameroon, Ethiopia, Nigeria, and all over the world with a motorbike. And for me, I love that such kind of traveling content. But let's see, maybe God will open the doors. I'm keep dream on the motorbike for long distance, actually sport bike. I keep dream on that. So every single minute after watching Maro's videos and or after watching Maro's family's videos, and then I watch Itching Boot. So she was a lady, and I'm trying to imagine, oh guys, what if she was a lady and tried to manage traveling vlog with a motorbike? What about Hello Baby? So let's move. We had the cook. So that is it here. And we shall meet for the next videos where I'm heading to, guys. Keep it locked. More amazing videos coming, and enjoy. Well guys, so let me give you brief quick tour around the compound and to see what is going on, man. So sometime sometime. Oh. Hey. Havana down over here. See? So today it's on a Sunday or on a Saturday. So we need to see what is going on. Maybe sometime sometime the cow needs to give them more. So you're gonna feel so thirsty, guys. So I want to fetch water. Wow, guys, so this is the balanced stones here. And I think the tank will be on top. Wow. This one will be a big house, man. Maybe for the bachelor. So, you can see. So it's concrete inside here. So, I want to see whether I can give them some we're calling water. Oh my god, I didn't see the napier grass. What? But it is what it is. So maybe let me go this way. So I'm trying to look the napier grass to give the cow, and I think they were being given. So I see the small napier grass over here. So you know, on Saturday, if you're a servant, you can't work. So just over here, and I'm going to ask the mason who are here. Maybe the cow have been given food, guys, and or napier grass. So I want to cut the story to be short. I wanna fetch water right now. Bosiamboka, guys. Wow. Oh, you heard? So today, oh, there's napier grass over there. Wow, guys. Wow. Sorry for the noise. Whew. So I'm going around to see whether I can give the cow some water and exchanging them. So there is water here. There is napier grass here. Oh, this salt here. So it's for the cow. All right. So there is napier grass here. And guys, let me check the time because we're running with time. So there is water here, guys. I'm not lying. There is water, and we have another one here. So I'm going with time. So as see whether I can give them the napier grass. So it's 13:16 here. So I'm supposed to give them water and then to exchange them. So maybe right now. So let's do. But I must be very careful because we have an aggressive cow. One of the cow here. Oh. Simbo Siambok is around with me here. Let's see. So I want to give them. Oh guys. Oh, so I'm just to look best. Maybe you can see me over there. Wow. Oh guys, maybe I see whether you can see me clear. Wow. Yes. Right. That's the beauty of the mansion, guys. Over here. Very amazing. Wow. Maybe I wanna be here. I wanna be here, guys, because of too much of the sun. So this is the chicken here. Oh, guys. Maybe I will be here. Oh, guys, so the chicks here. So I want to take the cow to the grazing place. So I want to change them here from here. So because no food and they feel hungry, and today's on Saturday. Wow. So that one is aggressive one. That one, guys. So you must be very careful with that. Oh. So I'm taking them down to give them some water, and then after that they wanna maybe graze or eat some napier grass. Here we call napier grass spaghetti for the cow. Let's see. It's according to the point where like that cow choose. Maybe there, whichever the case. Oh, you see. So right now they are grazing here, and the good thing is you tie them on a peg like this, not to step on food. You know, these are peg, and then I tied them here. You see how I'm tightening, guys? Wow. So we tighten them like this, and then you pull it. You pull it like that. You know what I mean. And then after that, let me see. Okay, they can reach here. They're drinking water. So we're doing here. Hey, ingine ilete. Naiogopa. Naogopa hiyo ingine. Yeah. So that one, the remaining one, it's aggressive. So you must hold a stick. You know, like this. When it started like you know the aggressive cow, they do like oh guys, you might find you are on the next level without know yourself. So that being said, tomorrow's work I wanna work. So nikupe fimbo hiyo, lazima uwe na fimbo. Si ati nagonga, hiyo lazima ukae na fimbo.
Nakimbia?
Haikimbii. Si ati nagonga, sasa yaani nagonga usipokuwa na mti. I see the kid of the goat here. They are relaxing here. Go outside. Wow. So I want to take this one here and I think on Monday we wanna spray the cow. So the tick, maybe this one, we must have a stick like this. Hello. Oh. So that's the real life in our village here. So sometime sasa itaenda kugonga hivi. Why? You know, sometime you know how to handle the cows and taking care. This one is aggressive, guys. Aggressive cow. You must have the stick. Ifunge basi hapa ajaeka. Oh, guys, so thank you so much. May God bless you. For those who are watching my videos, kindly give a like, and let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.